cluster case. Okay. This will make it easier. So this over here is one of my Raspberry Pis. I got it in a network attached storage configuration. This on top. So what we're looking at over here, this is the power over Ethernet, like adapter, PoE hat. That's what it's called. This in the middle here, that's the Raspberry Pi. Let me show you a different one. Maybe you can see it better. Rotate device back. Okay. So on the bottom here, we have, see those 3 pins? That's, what is that again? Positive, negative, ground or something like that? And then, oh no, positive, negative, and then obviously transfer terminal. Or not. But anyways, I got a, see that there? PCIe, that is the solid state drive, 1 terabyte that I've got in there. That is the adapter on the bottom. This adapter, which connects with those 3 pins to this Raspberry Pi, where it gets power from. And then the USB ports are disconnected with a little USB bridge. That's the Raspberry Pi one, that's the one on the bottom, that's how the data gets transferred. And then the PoE hat. I'm gonna set this up like this. Hopefully you guys can see. Well, I don't know who I'm talking to, there's no one there. In here, we have the PoE switch. I have enough before, and then 1 out to the router. I'll just have 3 Pis in here for now. Alright, so we're gonna put the network attached storage Raspberry Pi in first. It's pretty easy. They got like these like screws with springs on, and it's hot swappable in a way. Not really hot swappable, but it makes it easy where you can just take it in and out, an entire unit. Just plug and play basically. Next, I have a little adapter that is for the fans. Red and black to each. Comes up to this neat little thing I got that switches into Type C. And the Type C, I just plug it in there. I don't know if you can see that. So I plug in the Type C to that outlet, and that's how it gets power for the fans. Oh, let me switch it around. So to put it back in, we just plug in that Type C adapter. Carefully put it back in. Alrighty. So I put it in the wrong way, but it doesn't really matter. And we're just gonna screw it out. And that is the second Pi put into my little plastic box. A lot of times you gotta make sure that the wires back there don't hit the fans. this Pi, I need to configure. So I'm gonna do that. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take out that micro SD. I'm gonna put it into the laptop. I'm gonna load a new Raspberry Pi operating system so that we can, excuse me, give me a second. I'm doing this looking over here. What I plan to do, where are those SDs? I have a whole bunch of cameras around the house. IP cameras, and somewhere else. Let's look after our cats, but I'm gonna patch the IP network cameras into a Debian-based software that's open source that I can store all the video on the NAS, the network attached storage that I've made. That way, I don't have to pay anyone a monthly fee to access my video feed. I can just do it all myself, you know? So I had to get one of these adapters. Good old micro SD adapter. What I'm gonna do is take out the Pi. Oh, it's a little difficult sometimes. But really, squeeze your finger. There we go. Plug it on in. And then into the computer. Which one is it? It's probably this one. Yeah. Now all we're gonna do is see what's on there. Probably gonna have to format it and then load some new Raspberry Pi software. So I'm just gonna type in Raspberry Pi. I've got the image already. Bring that up. Yes, I do. Probably, yeah. While this is doing that, let's see, download Windows. Coffee. Install. Run it. Let's open it up. We're going to choose the device. We have Pi 4. I'm going to choose the storage card. Is that one I just plugged in? The operating system I want on there. I don't want a GUI. No, I don't want a GUI. Let's just go with the light. I'm gonna go with the 64-bit. Yeah, we need to edit those settings. Host name is Raspberry Pi -home. Password, damn, that's why I couldn't log into that thing. Okay. We want SSH, use. I'll probably not want password. Alright, well, I'm gonna set a new password, so I'll let you guys look at the blanking screen for a little bit. I'll start putting a new password real quick. Alrighty. LAN, we need home. I need to put that password in. And yep, we're in the Pacific. Let's go. The host name is Raspberry Pi home. Let's save that. Yes. And now you wait. Now, these cameras, they're IP cameras. I need to fix. I'm gonna try to patch into this. I know I can. I can patch into this software with a live feed, and I can route that live feed to this Pi, and then this Raspberry Pi over here will take that live feed and it'll sort it using open source software. I forgot what it's called, but then it's going to store all the data onto this Pi with the 1.5 terabytes of space. This Pi runs my VPN and my Pi-hole, which is an ad blocker, and then my VPN I can connect to the NAS, network attached storage. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I got these on Amazon. A little pricey, but it was worth it because I can just build little home networks and stuff. I mean, all it really is a four channel switch, a few Raspberry Pis, the casing, and some power over Ethernet hats, and you have your own home server. Where now I want to, what I plan to do is, or try to plan to do is, get that security system that I'm talking about, so I don't have to pay some asshole somewhere just to look at videos of my house. Alrighty, it's been written. Alright, now it's not. Take it out. Got that micro USB. Just gonna go back into the Raspberry Pi with the customization settings on. And in that Pi is gonna go back into the cluster. Same as before, just plug and play. Now, what the plan is, I need to access this through SSH, which is like computer talk basically. I need to make the computers talk. But as long as I can get access to this one, we're golden. Well, I hope we are. And we'll see. I never know how tight you should make these bolts. Never heard anywhere. Making it too tight, I guess. Alright, now the PoE switch with my patch cables, PoE patch cables. Put it upside down. Sorry, I put it upside down, so yeah, silly mistake. Just take it out again, turn it around, and put it back in. And yeah, the reason why I did this is I don't know. Like honestly, I don't know. I just thought I needed it, and I guess I do. I like it. All right, so that's all set up. I'll show you where it goes and what it does. All right, let's take this with us. McDonald's ass Wi-Fi over here. What was that? That's the cable that goes to my router back there. So that cable, this yellow one, it's gonna go underneath, whoop, and into there. Okay, get it. This whole setup probably cost like $500. A little pricey, I know. Talking to ghosts. see anything, but oh well. So I'm just gonna get it plugged in real quick. Okay, now we need to plug in the power cord. As soon as I do that, you'll see the lights will shine up. There we go. Plugged in, watch how it works. Power is getting to the system now. Orange lights, it's in. Oh, what's there? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see something. Oh, pies are turning on. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, we have system. Go. Looks like, yep, I see some lights there, lights there, lights there. Now, let's just push this back where it belongs. Up. Back here. I'm gonna access that, refresh the router. The wired clients, unknown. Okay, I know this is a Pi. I know that's a Pi. Let's give that a copy. Let's paste that. I'm gonna open that, which is not what I selected. I want 208. So basically, there we go. Open Media Vault. And we're back up online. This is the network attached storage. Now, that other Raspberry Pi isn't up yet. Point 50 is up, which is the WireGuard. Let's have a look on this computer. WireGuard, activate. Yeah, active. So my WireGuard is working, which means that second Raspberry Pi is up and running. Let's go deactivate that. Oh, what is it? Oh, no, I was wrong about that. Anyways, we're going back. Getting off track here. Oh, there we go. I picked up 191. That's what I want to try access through the command prompt. So we're going to go CMD. Just open up the command. I want SSH. Raspberry Pi home. No, it was Alex. I want to log into Alex on that damn thing. Alex at 192.168.1.191. Right. I need to do this real quick. Desktop. Let's see, we need to go Windows, users, Alex J, SSH. Get rid of that. Let's try that again. Now, SSH. Alex at, what was it, 192.168.1.191. Yes, we want to continue. So I'm going to type yes. It's a Debian system. Password I set. Let's hope this works. Boom, and we're in. Okay, now we want to update sudo get apt date. Right. My bad. And now we're gonna update it real quick. Get the latest packages. Now, upgrade -A. Not -A. Yes. And yeah. Well, I mean, this is gonna be the boring part, so I'll probably stop this live one right here, because now I gotta go get those cameras. I'm gonna go research some software on how to get this all set up, and yeah, I'll maybe be back, maybe not, who knows.